Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Looking at PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG on the daily weekly time frame. So we're pulling back with PCLN, even though we did get a higher high. By the end of the day, we closed down near the low. And we're watching the correlation with the S&P 500, but the S&P 500 saw some bounce at the end of the day, and we didn't see that in PCLN as we closed weak. So support is 1912, 1900, and 1889. We're going to be looking for normal healthy consolidation and for a higher low to form, as we have seen 7 green days in a row. So we're looking for a couple-day pullback, higher low to form. We'll see these moving average supports likely tested, and we'll look for that a potential bullish entry on that higher low, because the momentum has shifted to favor the bulls now that we broke that 1876 double top, and the weekly time frame is back over all moving average resistances, looking for a bullish MACD cross. And again, that gap fill that's going on is putting us in a range where there's not a ton of resistances to be looking at. NVDA on the daily, 191.20, 192.95. So we did get a new all-time high with the gap up open, but we did see a decent amount of profit taking with that. So we're watching the low of today as support. If you're looking at the hourly time frame, that low is a key level that bounced off the hourly 20 period. So if you break the low of today, we're looking at 186.73 to fill the gap, but that would also lose the hourly higher low pattern. So it's important that the bulls hold that if they want to see continued strength. Otherwise, we'll look to consolidate, form another healthy higher low. The bulls are in control of the semiconductor sector as well as NVDA very clearly. It's just whether or not we see continuation from here or whether or not we consolidate. And again, that hourly higher low is important to me. Weekly time frame is also at upper Bollinger Band resistance. We've rejected from this weekly upper Bollinger Band multiple times that we have tested it in the past few months. And right now I'm looking at 189.68 as that resistance that is currently being tested. Tesla on the daily time frame, very significant bullish move, and that is due to the correlation to NVDA, due to the relationships with the technology of self-driving cars. We saw a close up at the high of the day, a complete 180 turnaround, and that's, you can tell it's news related because we had all the bear momentum here at the end of the day yesterday. We had a higher open by $6 and a close at the high of the day. So resistance is the middle Bollinger Band that has rejected the last 3 attempts. That's up at 386.02. I take that back. That's at 357.13. And then we're looking at the high of this bull move, and that is up at 360.10. So the bulls have to break 360.10 in order to see a higher high, which would give us a higher low and a higher high, and a pretty significant recovery as the bulls look to maintain this middle Bollinger Band on the weekly, but still a tight range that we have to see how it plays out. Netflix on the daily, normal healthy consolidation. We followed through with the bearish close yesterday down at the low of the day. We are looking for a higher low to be established on the daily time frame. At this point, we're looking at 192.10, and if 192.10 cannot hold, we're going to be looking down at 190 previous resistance, now support. And we're looking for a bullish entry opportunity because this is a very healthy chart. It's low bear volume. We're coming off the all-time high. The weekly chart is all bull. So Netflix is definitely a name where this healthy consolidation is a bullish entry opportunity, and we're just waiting for confidence that consolidation is done for now. CMG made a bull break. Bull break of the inside bar today occurred at 309.26. 50-day moving average resistance rejected the high of the last bounce attempt, and right now we are coming up on that level. It's going to be in the mid-315s as it continues to drop. So 315.92 is that level. We'll be watching to see if the bulls are able to get over it as we test it tomorrow. And if we are, then we're looking right back up at our recent high in the mid-320s. And the weekly time frame for CMG, getting very close to trying to see this follow through and get over exponential resistance, but we do have to get up into the 320s to get over this exponential resistance. So lots to be watching as we head into tomorrow. Some consolidation and some very strong names are bullish entry opportunities. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.